Hey, I'm gonna share my hands-on experience with the OPPO Reno 15 and see how this sleek little phone performs. The OPPO Reno 15 comes with a 6.3-inch flat display featuring ultra-narrow bezels and an impressive 93.35% screen-to-body ratio. Plus, all four sides have equal width bezels, which makes watching videos feel even more immersive, and the display looks incredibly clear and vibrant. The OPPO Reno 15 we tested is the Aurora Blue color version. The back of the phone features a diffused light beam, which creates a shimmering effect under the light, like a galaxy scattered across the back cover. The design really looks stunning. Plus, the back cover uses a frosted glass material that feels smooth and warm to the touch, resists fingerprints, and gives the phone a more premium look. The Starlight camera module design on the OPPO Reno 15 uses a liquid cold engraved glass process, accented with sparkling sand, making it look more three-dimensional and layered. For the details, the Reno 15 also features a metal mid-frame combined with an aluminum alloy sandblasting process, giving it a delicate glossy finish and a better texture. Plus, it's more resistant to drops and wear. It weighs only 188 grams and is just 8.13 millimeters thick, making it feel very light and comfortable to hold in your hand. In terms of appearance alone, the Reno 15 is arguably the most refined and best looking model in its price range. Imaging has always been the main selling point of the Apple Reno series. This time, the Reno 15 is equipped with a 200 megapixel ultra high definition main camera, along with a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens that supports 3.5 times optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, achieving an integrated hardware setup. On the software side, it comes with a natural tone live engine and supports posting 4K ultra clear live photos on Xiaohongshu. Next, let's take a look at the actual photo results through some sample shots. Photos taken with a 200 megapixel camera are extremely clear, with fast imaging speed and high resolution. Even after multiple crops, the details are still preserved. The sample images have vibrant colors, are bright and clear, and are very eye-catching. The transition between light and dark areas in the finished photos is handled really well, with high dynamic range. The images remain very clean even in low-light environments, with no noise, and it effectively suppresses glare from lights, accurately reproducing the color of lights under complex lighting conditions. It's worth mentioning that the Reno 15's 3.5 times optical zoom is really handy, and it also supports telephoto shift, which makes it easy for you to compose shots and take more creative photos. The 0.6 times ultra wide angle lens can capture vast landscapes with scenes that are clear and bright. Live photos also come out just as sharp, and you can share them to social media with just one tap. When it comes to imaging experience, the Reno 15 really exceeded my expectations. Honestly, calling it the strongest imaging system in its class is not an exaggeration at all. Nowadays, smartphones have become pretty much the same in terms of design and features, so for the Reno 15 to keep refining the live photo feature and turn it into a unique selling point is honestly no small feat. In terms of hardware, the OPPO Reno 15 is equipped with the Dimensity 8500 processor built on a 4nm process. It also features OPPO's proprietary Cal engine, so it easily handles all your everyday performance needs. When playing Honor of Kings on the OPPO Reno 15 with all effects turned on and the highest frame rate enabled, it can stably maintain 120 frames per second. The gameplay is extremely smooth, and even during teamfights, there's no lag or frame drops. Playing games like Game for Peace is just as effortless. We can use the Game Assistant to activate esports mode, enabling super frame rate, instant response, and ultra high clarity, which comprehensively enhances the gaming experience and makes aiming and shooting actions even more seamless and fluid. If you enjoy socializing through games, you can also enable features like Game Camera, Live Screenshot, and OneTap Replay in the Game Assistant interface. During gameplay, we also noticed that the OPPO Reno 15 delivers very stable network performance, mainly thanks to its self-developed Shanghai Communication Enhancement chip and Wi-Fi acceleration chip. Even in complex environments like a coffee shop, the network performance remains extremely stable, with faster rendering, almost no lag, and very smooth gameplay. Charging and battery life experience. The OPPO Reno 15 is equipped with a 6200 mAh battery and supports 80-watt super flash charging. Playing Honor of Kings for 1 hour consumes about 43% of the battery. Watching videos for 1 hour uses about 6% of the battery, and browsing social feeds for 1 hour uses about 7%. As a slim and lightweight compact phone, this kind of charging and battery life performance is really impressive. Plus, with 80-watt super flash charging for quick top-ups, you won't have to worry about battery anxiety either. The Reno 15 also supports IP69 water resistance, features stereo dual speakers, NFC, infrared remote control, and more. The specs are quite comprehensive. Finally, let's briefly talk about the system. The OPPO Reno 15 comes with the latest ColorOS 16 system. I have to say, this system is truly smooth and fluid, and the UI animations look even more natural. Dragging, swiping, zooming, opening apps, all of it feels incredibly intuitive and effortless. There are also some really useful AI features like Jabu AI real-time conversation and G-number retrieval, which are all very practical. All in all, the OPPO Reno 15, this refined little phone, really impressed me. With its trendy and stylish appearance, lightweight feel, and refined texture, its looks really stand out among competing products. I honestly don't think any girl could resist it. The carefully polished imaging experience is now the best in its class, especially with the continuous improvements in live photos, making the OPPO Reno 15 far ahead of the industry in this feature. In addition, when it comes to performance and charging/battery life, the OPPO Reno 15 doesn't fall behind either. Plus, with features like IP69, NFC, infrared remote control, and more, it really doesn't have any weak spots. What do you think about this OPPO Reno 15? Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. Let's discuss it together.